In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an inner fender liner on your Chevy Silverado. This will be located behind the front wheel. Let's get started. Using a 22mm socket, remove the 6 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a T15 bit, remove the 18 screws for the fender liner. Remove all 18 screws. Remove the fender liner. Install the inner fender liner. We're going to get this started in the back. Work your way up and around, getting the bolt started as you get the fender liner lined up with the hole. Get the fender liner tucked into the front behind the bumper and the fender. And keep going around, installing all of the bolts. Go around and snug down all of the screws. Install the wheel. Get the lug nuts started. Snug the lug nuts down. Torque the lug nuts in a star pattern to 140 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.